Hello, welcome to Berkshire Used Cars' latest video of this 2014 registered BMW Z4. This is the 2.litre SDrive M-Sport 8-speed automatic Roadster. Recorded mileage is very low at just 25,437. Car is in beautiful condition. It's a one private owner car from new. Just come into our possession, so we are now the second owners of the car. Gorgeous colour, Alpine White, and clearly has been incredibly well maintained by the previous lady owner. It's been entirely serviced by BMW, 6 visits in total. The most recent service was carried out in July of 2021. Approximately 200 miles ago, along with a brake fluid change. Also the MOT was carried out, so therefore that expires on the 1st of July 2022, and there were no advisories. Nearly new set of premium branded Bridgestone run flat tyres, between 7 to 7.8 millimeters on all 4 corners. Car's also had all 4 wheels refurbished by the previous owner. Also has the front brake discs and pads were replaced on the last service as well. Beautiful car, so optional comfort pack, front and rear parking sensors. Does come with the auto-on xenon headlights. Euro 6, it is ultra low emission zone exempt. Fantastic engine, 2-litre petrol, 181 brake horsepower. Returns an impressive 41.5 mpg. 12 months road tax is £210. Inside we have a fantastic contrasting interior. It's actually called coral red Kansas leather. Very, very clean. Lovely interior. Front and rear parking sensors. Comes with also electric folding dimming wing mirrors, multifunctional steering wheel. Car does have cruise control. Also it does come with Bluetooth for telephone. You can also play music via the USB cable. There is a single CD player along with a digital DAB radio. So this is the 8-speed auto gearbox. Also you have the facility to change the car into sport mode or comfort mode. This fantastic condition, high specification BMW Z4 will be supplied with 2 sets of remote central locking keys. We do have the handbook for the car. The car has run flat tyres, but we do have the locking wheel nut is present. For further information, I'd urge you to go to our website, which is berkshireusedcars.co.uk, where you can read a full vehicle description, view the extensive photography along with a walk around video, see all of the warranty information, use our interactive finance calculator, as well as reading the independent consumer reviews. Thank you very much for taking the time to watch the video. If you've got any questions, please don't hesitate to get in touch with us at Berkshire Used Cars.